Hi guys, good evening. Good evening. My husband's car has been giving him issues. Wait, let me come this way. So, my husband's car has been giving him issues. So, the mechanic is here to fix. I don't know if we'll be able to go to church with it, but if they were able to resolve the issue, then we'll be taking the car to church. If not, we'll find our way to church. Let me show you guys. Just hold on. So they are working on the car. My husband is laughing at me. Don't mind me. I'll be taking it to church on Sunday. Why are you laughing? We'll find our way to church. I'm not taking the car to church. So
Yo, listen, baby.
the mechanic is about to drive the car. We won't be going to church with it. Oh my god. I was thinking after they finish fixing it today, we'll take it to the car wash tomorrow. Then Sunday we'll go to church with it. But my husband said there's something they need to do in the car. Like he needs to take it to the panel. So we have to take public bus to the church on Sunday. Hi, good morning. Good morning, everybody. So today is Saturday. I have cleanup to do. So I'll be sweeping this space, the sitting room today. That's my brush over there. I don't know if you can see it. So let's clean together. Let's clean together.
Okay, now, put the finger up.
Hi, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this video. Today is Sunday. We'll be preparing to go to church today. Stay put. I'm going to take you guys along. The video you're going to see after this is me preparing my church bag. Then the rest will follow. Hope you guys can hear me. I don't have a mic, so I don't know if I'm audible enough. Hello guys, good morning. We are off to church. We are late, like late. We had to rush out of the house now. So this is my sister. Say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube family.
All right, I'll talk to you, and you get to see my full fit later. Bye.
In a whole 10 years, God made it happen in one day. And you're wondering, you say, please somebody wake me up. Is this happening to me? Because you just find out somebody. You don't put knife in the hand of your daughter. One day she will cut meat in the kitchen, but not now. But when the season comes, she will handle it. I pray for somebody here. She will experience lasting testimony.